10 seconds.
Well, we might as well go, because that's probably a bit like slightly underpowered.
Go 1 at 30.
You're going to get down there in a second. No, go about 1.5 minutes.
So I said 130.
1.40.
Right, yeah, you got to put it in first.
I'll put the took the tray out. Laughing at it.
Some video in it.
Get the bag in there and melt it. Might help you put it on full power.